Day 1. After 37 days. Have a look at this lawn. Dry, patchy, full of weeds. I decided to bring it back to life from seed. In this video, I'll show you exactly how I transformed this dead area into fresh green grass in just 5 weeks. Let's get started. The first step was removing all the dead grass and unwanted weeds. This is important because new grass seed needs direct contact with the soil to germinate properly. I spent some time clearing everything out and making sure the area was as clean as possible before moving on to the next step. Once the area was cleared, I started working on the soil. I sifted the soil to remove rocks, roots, and debris. Healthy soil is the foundation of a healthy lawn. Then I tilled the soil to loosen it up and improve air circulation. And this is the result after giving the soil a fresh top dressing. Before seeding, I passed a lawn roller over the area. This helped level the ground and create a firm surface. Next, I added a layer of fresh topsoil. Sorry, I forgot to record the process, but I only applied a thin layer. After spreading the topsoil evenly, it was finally time to apply the grass seed. Since I didn't have a seed spreader, I used the traditional method and spread the seed by hand. Please, it's my first time ever doing this, so don't judge me too harshly. I made sure to distribute the seed evenly across the entire area to avoid thin spots later on. Now came the most important part. For the next 4 weeks, I watered the area every day to keep the soil moist. Grass seed needs consistent moisture to germinate and develop strong roots. The first signs of growth appeared after about a week, and each day the lawn became greener and thicker. And here we are, 5 weeks later. What started as a dead wheat-filled patch is now a healthy green lawn. The transformation is incredible, and I'm proud that I did it from scratch, especially since it was my first time ever doing something like this. If you enjoyed this transformation, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more lawn care and home improvement projects.